Thanks for joining us today, Mr. Grant. I appreciate it. Wet'suwet'en Hereditary Chiefs assert jurisdiction and title over their territory, including where Coastal GasLink and TransCanada want to run their pipeline. I want to get your thoughts on how the RCMP enforced the injunction, resulting in arrests made on Monday.
Well, I think the RCMP have made it clear themselves that the events of last Monday were unfortunate, and they very much wanted to meet with the hereditary chiefs to work out a solution so that there would not be that form of confrontation that we all saw in the media on Monday.
An agreement was brokered between hereditary chiefs and the RCMP. Chiefs have promised to abide by rules of the injunction. We've heard calls this is not over. So where do the chiefs go from here? Well,
I'm legal counsel for the Wet'suwet'en Hereditary Chiefs, and I cannot disclose the information and the nature of the discussions. But I can say what is a matter of public record is that the Hereditary Chiefs have made it clear that there is one issue that they've resolved, which is how to ensure that nobody is injured and ensure that the injunction, the interlocutory, which is a temporary injunction, is complied with in order to allow the company to go in to do some pre-construction work. That part they are not going to. They have indicated, and the hereditary chiefs, I was just speaking with a number of them both yesterday and today, have indicated that the wooden gate has been taken down as of today. And on the other hand, the RCMP have agreed to remove the exclusion zone so media can access it. In the long run, the Wet'suwet'en Chiefs have made it clear that they have opposed this pipeline, and they have not been properly consulted, in my opinion, or addressed. And I know there's all kinds of media coverage that the company made a number of agreements with not all, but several band councils. I don't dispute that fact. The band councils do not have jurisdiction in Wet'suwet'en territory over the traditional territory. Everybody knows that within the Wet'suwet'en Nation, whether they're band councillors or the hereditary chiefs. That's not a matter of dispute. The CGL has also indicated that they've made several efforts to talk to hereditary chiefs, that is, to communicate with them. Now, if you recall, a few months ago, the Federal Court of Appeal said that, or the Federal Court said that the Canada failed in its consultation regarding Kinder Morgan. And its failure in the Kinder Morgan case was because they had a number of people from Canada sit down and talk to chiefs, talk to the Aboriginal nations, with no mandate whatsoever to change their position. The Supreme Court of Canada is very clear. The parties, when they engage in consultation, must be prepared to modify what they are going to do. That has not occurred. And it's not enough to have a list of meetings and phone calls and logs, which is what government and industry have historically done. It's not sufficient to say that is proper consultation. So the hereditary chiefs, I believe, I think I can go this far. I think they are pleased that finally the RCMP, because of the situation, and CGL says, okay, we have to talk to you. You are, and that is very important for the chiefs. They are the ones that are going to work through any addressing of the issues in this case.
Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Grant, for answering our questions today and giving us a little bit more background information on what's going on. I want to thank you again for joining us.
You're welcome. Have a good day.